Hello students, my name is Miss Rodriguez and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a vocabulary booklet like the one that I created right here. We will be using this for our reading lesson, and as we are going through the lesson we will be completing this booklet. So the first step is to grab the 2 sheets of construction paper that I gave you and just go ahead and stack them up on top of each other. And then next you're going to fold them both in half together, hamburger style. And then you're just going to lay it out like this. So now you have both of your papers just right on top of each other, folded together. And next, you're going to get a stapler and staple the sides that are creased together. You're going to staple them together. And I went ahead and made 3 just to be sure that the paper does stay together and it won't fall out of place at all. And so this front page is going to be our cover page. So go ahead and label your booklet. I'm going to label mine my vocab book. And make sure that your name is on the booklet. It can be on the front or the back. And let's go ahead and write that. And you can design this as well if you'd like, but just to save some time, I'm just going to go ahead and show you how I did my cover page before I decorated it. And then you're going to open up your booklet, and you're going to draw a horizontal and vertical line across both ends of the paper. So it should look something like this. And I chose to do it in pencil first, just in case I mess up or if I want to fix anything, I can. And you're going to do this on each individual half page. Alright, so it should look like this. And then next what I did is, because we were going to have a circle in the middle, I went ahead and just drew like a quarter of a circle on each one until it came all the way back around to a complete circle. So I'll go ahead and show you how to do that. So first we're going to draw a quarter of a circle. So as you can see, here's my quarter of a circle. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to just draw it all the way around like this until it's a complete circle. And as you can see, there is lines in the middle, but we don't want those lines, which is why we did use a pencil. So just go ahead and erase the lines that are in the middle of the circle. Now your paper should look like this. And so next what we're going to do is we're going to label our 3 boxes over here. So in the top box, we're going to write the definition, and we're going to draw a picture of it, and we're going to write a sentence using our new vocabulary word. So I'll go ahead and start off the first one with you. So our first word is retreat. So let's go ahead and write retreat in the middle, okay? Alright, and then remember we want to write what each box is, that way we can remember what goes in each box. So in the top left box, you're going to write definition. So it should be like this. And then we're going to write picture, and then we're going to write sentence. So definition, picture, and sentence. Alright, so your diagram should look something like this. And then you'll just go ahead and pause this video and go ahead and do that to the next 5 pages. So it'll be all of these pages. You're going to draw that diagram and also label it. I will be providing you with the vocabulary words before you read the material as well. So, and then I'll go ahead and do the first one with you. So, since we have retreat, we have to write it in our own words or definition. You can just go ahead and copy mine for retreat. So I wrote that another way of explaining retreat so I can remember is just thinking about the 2 words going back. So whenever I think of the word retreat, I think of going back. So I'm going to go ahead and write that in my definition. And so as you can see, your definitions don't have to be long. They just have to be descriptive enough to where you can understand them. And next, I'm going to draw my picture of what I think going back would look like. And then I would also write it in a sentence. So for my sentence, I chose, after realizing the ship was not working, he told the captain to retreat their mission. So just based on context clues, you could figure out what this word means. So since the ship was not working, he told the captain to retreat their mission. So what do you think we would do if something wasn't working? We wouldn't keep doing it, right? We would go back and we would try something else, or we would try to fix that problem. So we'd retreat rather than just keep trying to fix something that's broken. Alright, and this is what the end product would look like. Alright, so as you can see, my picture is of a person walking, and then now they're retreating their mission, they're going back, so my arrow is also pointing backwards. And as you're doing this activity, you can do it during your reading. You can finish it, or you can just partially do it. During the reading, I definitely do want you to write the definition in your own words for sure. But if you like, you can draw the picture and write it in your own sentence after you're done reading the entire story. Or if you'd rather just do it while you're reading the story, that's completely up to you as well. But yeah, that's your vocabulary book, and just make sure that you do that for each one of your 6 vocabulary words. Thank you.